Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. People create new habits every single day. Oftentimes, parents pass those habits down to their children. In some cases, those same habits get passed from parents to grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Like a great recipe or morning routine, people learn things, and through repetition, it becomes ingrained in families and, in rare cases, communities and larger geographical regions. However, just because we've created or adopted a habit doesn't make it correct. Something that we thought to be correct 50 years ago could be proven wrong by more scientific knowledge. A prime example of this is bloodletting, once a universal practice, would never be practiced today. While we don't have any examples as shocking as bloodletting, consider these common customs that you might be doing incorrectly and out of pure ignorance. Breathing. What? Yes, you could be breathing incorrectly. You've been doing it for so long involuntarily that you could have created a bad habit. When you breathe with your chest incorrectly, you take shallower breaths and don't properly exercise the diaphragm. Moreover, you don't get as much oxygen as you should. Learning to breathe with your diaphragm could take some time, but it's worth it in the long run. Brushing your teeth. Here's a little known fact. You should brush your teeth both side to side and up and down. These different brush strokes help us clean the entire area of our teeth, all the way to the gum line. When you brush your teeth with side-to-side movements only, you're leaving too much of your teeth unbrushed and untouched. Next time you brush, slow down, concentrate, and use both strokes for more effective oral health practices. Skincare. Different skin types need different skincare. Most people who approach middle age don't do enough to alter their routine to care for aging skin. For instance, the amount of soap you use in the shower could be causing dry, unhealthy skin. It may not be the kind of soap you're using, but rather the amount. If you've got tight, dry skin, try using less soap and cooler water. Using paper towels. Whenever something gets spilled in the kitchen, our natural reaction is to reach for a paper towel. After washing our hands, we do the same thing. Reaching for a paper towel every time something is wet is causing us to use entirely too much paper. Using too much paper means cutting down too many trees. A dish rag or kitchen towel does a much better job on these small tasks, but if you must use a paper towel, cut down on the amount to help our environment. Cooking pasta. In Italy, not all pasta is covered in sauce like in the United States. Many pasta dishes are served with vegetables or sprinkled cheese, rather than being smothered with meat and tomato sauce. So, in the old world, you might want a little olive oil on your pasta, but when pairing it with sauce, the olive oil prevents the sauce from adhering to the pasta. It just becomes overkill. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.